Everybody needs some company.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be real quick because I'm on a time crunch for my birthday, y'all. So I'm gonna be real quick. So, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taja Babes, and like I'm doing my birthday makeup for y'all, and I'm on a time crunch because I'm trying to meet my sister so I could do content. So I'm using Elk. Using anesthesia thing. So I'm gonna be speeding up. I'm bringing my camera just so I could take regular pictures, but then I'm just gonna take regular pictures, regular pictures on my phone.
You're
People say content is easy, but it's not. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is use my Rihanna and y'all, that is it. Always put makeup on your neck. Okay, y'all, that is it. If y'all could see, this is the dress that I chose. The first one, I chose that dress. That dress is so cute. Oh, wait, hold on. So y'all, this is the makeup look. I was rushing, so if it looks crazy, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's simple for me. So yeah, like usually it's not what you see, but it is what it is, y'all. If y'all like this video, go ahead and like this video, comment or whatever. But Lord Jesus, I'm in a rush right now because I'm trying to have enough time for content, y'all, so I could, you know, show y'all. But it is what it is. It gives what it gives. All right, y'all, go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Love you.
Me have Campari Patron.